Have you ever wondered how the meat on your plate is produced? Leave a number 1 in the comments and don't miss this video as we explore the fascinating process behind every delicious piece of meat. The export journey begins with the care and nurturing of animals. Donkeys, wild cattle, and sheep are often raised in natural environments where they can grow healthy and receive thorough health care. In many rural or semi-rural areas, these animals are allowed to graze freely, which helps develop their muscles and gives their meat a distinctive flavor. For example, donkeys are often raised for their lean, firm meat and are typically allowed to roam freely to develop strong bodies. Similarly, wild cattle are raised in areas with abundant vegetation, allowing them to eat natural plants, which creates a unique flavor in the meat. Sheep are raised in grassy fields with a diet that includes various grasses and legumes, helping to make the meat tender and flavorful. When the animals reach the appropriate age and weight, they are taken to processing facilities. Workers carry out steps such as removing internal organs, cleaning the animal's body, and preparing the meat portions for processing. This process is carried out under the highest hygiene standards to ensure the meat is not contaminated and maintains its quality. After processing, the carcasses are quickly chilled to stop the growth of bacteria and preserve the meat in the freshest possible state. For exported meat, this cooling process is crucial as it helps ensure the quality of the meat throughout transportation. The parts of the animal are then divided and cut into different meat portions depending on the type of animal and the final product. For example, donkey meat can be cut into steaks, ribs, or ground meat, while wild cattle are often processed into cuts like ribs, shoulders, or large chunks. Sheep meat is typically cut into pieces such as lamb ribs, lamb legs, or lamb shoulders. The butchering process must ensure that the quality of the meat is preserved, while also removing excess fat and inedible bones. The unused parts are processed for use in byproducts or other preparations. Quality control and inspection are essential parts of the meat export process. Before the meat is packed for export, it must undergo a series of tests to ensure it meets health and food safety standards. These tests are conducted by both internal inspection agencies and third-party organizations. Each batch of meat is tested for any potential pathogens, bacteria, viruses, and parasites. Once the meat passes the quality checks, it is then packaged and prepared for export. Leave a 1 in the comments if you like this process. The packaging process is a crucial factor in preserving the quality of the meat throughout transportation. The meat will be vacuum sealed or wrapped in special airtight packaging to prevent exposure to air, bacteria, and other contaminants. This helps keep the meat fresh for a longer period and prevent spoilage. For exported meats, the meat will be either chilled or frozen, depending on the type of product and the target market. Donkey, bison, and sheep meat are typically frozen to ensure preservation during the long journey to importing countries. This packaging process not only preserves the quality but also helps the product withstand the harsh conditions of international shipping. Each package of meat will be carefully labeled with information such as the origin, processing date, and destination, ensuring transparency and traceability of the product. The final step in the export process is transportation. After packaging, the meat is placed into refrigerated containers to maintain the cold chain throughout the journey. These containers are equipped with temperature control systems to ensure that the meat stays at the proper temperature from the time it leaves the processing plant until it reaches its destination. The chosen method of transportation depends on the destination and the requirements of the importing market. Throughout the journey, the meat is carefully monitored to ensure that it arrives on time and maintains its quality. Finally, the product will reach international consumers. Donkey meat, bison meat, and sheep meat are currently very popular in many international markets, especially in countries where these types of meat are considered delicacies or have cultural significance. In European and Asian countries, donkey meat is highly favored, where it is used in traditional dishes. Bison meat, with its rich and distinctive flavor, is very popular in high-end dishes in countries like France and Italy. Meanwhile, lamb meat, especially young lamb, is a staple in countries in the Middle East and the Mediterranean. If you found this video boring, leave a 0 in the comments. To ensure high-quality meat, the care of animals from when they are young until they reach maturity is extremely important. Processing plants often collaborate with professional livestock farms to provide a stable supply of raw materials. These farms may raise animals such as pigs, cattle, sheep, or chickens, depending on the needs of the plant and the market. Modern farms often use advanced technology to monitor the health of the animals, ensuring they do not contract diseases and achieve optimal weight before being transported to processing plants. Diet is a crucial factor in raising animals to achieve high-quality meat and ensure their health. For animals to grow healthily and reach the standard weight, they need to be provided with a complete nutritional regimen, including elements such as fiber, protein, vitamins, and minerals. For cattle, they require a diet rich in fresh or dried grass, supplemented with industrial feed such as corn, bran, and seeds to reach the desired weight in a short time. Cattle also need sufficient water to maintain digestion and metabolism, helping them grow strong and healthy. Pigs are primarily fed industrial feed, including corn, wheat, soybeans, and other seeds. These foods are supplemented with vitamins and minerals to support muscle growth and improve meat quality. Sheep mainly eat fresh or dried grass, but also need additional feed to support rapid growth. Supplementing with protein and essential nutrients is necessary for sheep to grow evenly, helping them reach their ideal weight and achieve high-quality meat. The living environment of animals has a profound impact on their health and development, which is why creating an ideal living space is a crucial factor in their care and nurturing. A spacious area is the first thing that farms need to focus on. Animals, whether cows or sheep, require enough space to move freely. If animals are forced to live in cramped pens with limited space, it will cause stress, potentially leading to health problems such as arthritis, skin ulcers, and a weakened immune system. Furthermore, stressed animals produce hormones like cortisol, which can reduce meat quality, making the harvested product fall short in terms of tenderness, flavor, and fat content. Therefore, maintaining a comfortable, spacious environment is essential for helping animals develop in the best possible way. In addition to space, cleanliness is an indispensable factor in maintaining animal health. Cleaning the barns helps eliminate pathogens and prevent the spread of infectious diseases, especially in large-scale farming environments. Waste must be regularly cleaned, and the barn areas should be disinfected to minimize the risk of bacterial infection.